These Korean style lamb cutlets are a little bit spicy and totally moreish. They're great as a lunch, as an appetizer or on the barbecue, and absolutely perfect for summer. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now the key to these lamb cutlets is the marinade. Those Korean inspired flavours complements the lamb so well. So let's get cooking. To a large bowl, add 50 grams or 1/4 cup of gochujang paste, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 1½ tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, a clove of minced garlic, and 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now mix that all together until combined. Now to that marinade, we're going to add 6 lamb cutlets. That should be enough to serve 2 people. Mix everything together to combine and cover with clingfilm. Now we're going to place those in the fridge and allow them to marinate for about 2 hours. They can marinate for up to 12 hours if you're making ahead, or if you're short on time, then 30 minutes will still taste great. Take the cutlets out of the fridge about 30 minutes before you want to cook them, just so they're not fridge cold. Now we want to heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat, and fry those cutlets for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're lovely and dark golden. Remove the cutlets from the pan and they're ready to serve. Now I love to sprinkle these lamb cutlets with some black and white sesame seeds and a little pinch of shichimi togarashi. This is a Japanese seasoning, but it actually works really well with the lamb. Now if you really like those Korean flavours, then be sure to check out my Korean fried chicken as well over here. I'll see you next time.